Hey, what's up, guys? So today I took two trades. It was kind of uncertain day. What I mean is that the price was actually bouncing between two bid areas. But yeah, I'll just show you how it went, and yeah, let's get into the recap. So coming to the day, obviously we're bearish since price was disrespecting all these bullish gaps right here, and we also have one of the strongest draw on liquidity, which is the new week opening gap. We also have this sell side liquidity right here. And all I was looking for, since I was bearish, is price to tap into this 1 hour gap right here, and then push lower toward this draw on liquidities. And if this 1 hour would have been disrespected somehow, then I would look for longs towards this unmitigated 1 hour gap. So at market open, price actually ends up trading into this 1 hour gap, and we also had this 1 hour gap right here. So if we go on the lower time frame, on the 2 minute chart, this manipulation legs highest inverse favorable gap was the 2 minute, and so this would have been my entry, this would have been my stop loss. And since there was this 1 hour gap and price was kind of respecting this, I actually went break even as soon as price tapped into this gap. And then yeah, price took my break even. And honestly, this was wrong because one of my rules is that I should go break even on the intermediate low that is inside the 1 hour gap. So the break even should have been this one, which is also the manipulation selects low. And so if we play this out, price actually ends up going towards my TP. So this was a valid trade. So another thing I was noticing in this trade is that price also swapped this intermediate high, which was an intermediate high inside the 15-minute gap. So this is a really good stop line, you guys could say. But yeah, such a nice trade, and it played out really well. So the only thing was that poor management. Break even should have been here. So later, as I guys said, the price was actually respecting this 1 hour gap, and it ends up going up. And actually, it returned back to this hourly gap right here, and it swept this liquidity right here too. My entry was right here, but this is completely wrong, and I'll just show you after this plays out. So it did play out, and this was my break even. This was 5 minute average. But yeah, the break even was also wrong here because again, one of my rules is to go break even at the intermediate low that is inside the high time frame period. So why this trade was actually wrong? Because this was the manipulation leg. So we have the move down right here and to here. This is the one. This is the candle that swept this hourly gap right here. So yeah, this one. And the highest time frame inverse on this leg was not actually the 1 minute. So I completely forgot to watch all the time frames. So if we go on the 2 minute, we have a 2 minute right here too. And if we go on the 3 minute, then we also have a 3 minute. So this was completely invalid entry because the 3 minute actually closed inside the 5 minute. So a better entry would have been this 5 minute break. So if we play this out, I'll show you guys. Okay, so here would have been the entry, and this would have been your stop loss since we have created a high right here. So here this would be the stop. Sorry guys, I actually had problems with my audio. I don't know why it was so bad. But anyways, I was saying that so the real entry would have been this 5 minute right here, and this would have been the stop loss. And you guys could have targeted this sell side liquidity right here, or also this one. Yeah, honestly, I would have just went for a 1-to-1 since that's what I like to target. But yeah, if we just play this out, you guys can see that it's actually played out. I think this was a new scandal. I don't really know. But yeah, overall, nice trade. So that was all for today. Not the best day, to be honest. I actually broke some of my rules, but hopefully, I can keep following them. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.